Hey everyone, it's your favorite Pick Instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best smartwatches for Android that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Samsung. As we know, Samsung is one of the best electronic companies in the world. The top list on our list is from the Samsung brand, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is Samsung's top-rated smartwatch and the best smartwatch for Android. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 comes with a slew of features. We used to go to the hospital to get our bodies checked for health problems, but now you can wear your health tracker on your wrist. It's fascinating. The Samsung Galaxy Watch has a fantastic health sensor that tracks heart rates, ECG, and body composition. As a result, you may monitor your health regularly and preserve your health data. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 has a superior design to the previous generation of the watch. Because it has two buttons on the right-hand side that allow for quick navigation of the smartwatch's menus, it's also equipped with GPS and Bluetooth. Although this watch is best for Android users, advanced capabilities are only available through Samsung smartphones. If you've paired your smartphones, you'll be able to receive calls and messages. In terms of software, it has an Exynos W920 processor and 1.5 GB of RAM, which is ideal for those who want a lot of programs and want a seamless experience. According to our analysis, it is one of the fastest smartwatches ever. Finally, the Galaxy Watch 4 is ideal for individuals looking for the best fitness watch with GPS tracking. At number 4. Fitbit. Are you the type of person that takes care of your fitness? If that's the case, Fitbit Sense is your best choice. It has a biosensor core that allows you to tune in to your body. In addition, it has a stress sensor that constantly monitors and displays your stress level so you may live a stress-free life. After wearing it on your wrist, it tracks your heart rate and ECG and saves your data that easily help your doctor to know your health conditions. It tracks your heart rate and ECG and retains your data, making it easy for your doctor to understand your health concerns. Thus, this is the most comfortable smartwatch to track our body conditions. It also keeps track of your sleeping habits and skin temperature and alerts you via its fancy display and relevant apps. In addition, the Fitbit Sense smartwatch comes with a built-in GPS that measures your distance and lets you see the route while you are running or jogging. You can use Google Assistant and Alexa to control it. It boasts the longest smartwatch battery life since once completely charged. It lasts for 6 days without needing to be recharged. As a result, this is the best smartwatch for travelers. At number 3. Fitbit. The Fitbit Versa 3 is also the best smartwatch for women. It has a lot of useful functions. It comes with a built-in GPS function, so you can check your speed and distance while running or jogging without the help of the phone. This is the best active smartwatch for workouts because it has active zone minutes that alert you when you achieve your heart rate zone. You may use the smartwatch with the Spotify app to listen to music while working out. With Google Voice Assistant and Amazon Alexa, you can use your watch to manage smart home appliances, set alarms, and inform you when to go to bed. It has Bluetooth connectivity and a microphone, allowing you to take calls hands-free. Compared to the previous edition of the watch, the battery life has been improved. You won't need to look for a charger for 6 days once you've completed the charge. This is a good smartwatch for ladies, according to our study. At number 2. Fossil. The Fossil Men's Gen 5e is the best watch for men and the best smartwatch brand. The Fossil Gen 5e is ideal for individuals looking for a smartwatch that works with iOS and Android phones. In addition, the Fossil Men's smartwatch has many fitness features that allow you to measure your heart rate, sleep activities, oxygen level, and stress level. With the Fossil watch, you can live a healthier life. It has a built-in microphone and Bluetooth so that you can talk to your friends and coworkers with your hands-free. It charges in half an hour and can be used for several days without recharging. If you're a swimmer who wants to keep track of your swimming activities while practicing, this smartwatch is the best choice. You may also use the Google Pay app to pay your bills with this fantastic smartwatch. At number 1. Amazfit. The Amazfit T-Rex Pro smartwatch is one of the best watches for men. The screen is an AMOLED display with a 1.3-inch diagonal. So, you won't need a charger for 18 days once you've fully charged it. Amazfit Fitness Watch has 100 sport modes that allow you to track your heart rate while working out and how many calories you've burned, your speed, and so on. This fitness watch will help you improve your athletic performance if you are an athlete. The Amazfit T-Rex Pro is the best watch for health monitoring. You can also receive messages and call notifications on its colorful display, set alarms, and remind you of important events. It will become a valuable companion in your life. People in today's busy world work till midnight and do not get enough sleep. A healthy night's sleep is 8 hours. The Amazfit Pro includes a sleep monitor to keep track of your sleeping patterns and live a more serene existence. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comments section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown.